Welcome to CARZ Trends. Today, we shift gears into one of Japan's most iconic sports cars, a vehicle that's been revered by gearheads, tuners, collectors, and racers alike. Yes, we're talking about the Toyota Supra. From its roots in the late 1970s to its rise in global car culture during the 1990s and its rebirth in the modern era, the Supra is a name that carries legacy, performance, and pride. But what does it really mean to own one in the United States today? In this comprehensive breakdown, we're looking at the Toyota Supra in all its glory, from design, engineering, and driving dynamics to ownership costs, insurance, maintenance, depreciation, and real-world usability. Whether you're chasing nostalgia or seeking your next weekend warrior, this is the Supra video you've been waiting for. Let's start with the design. The Toyota Supra, particularly in its latest generation, officially known as the A90 and A91, stands as a dramatic evolution from its predecessor. Its design is bold, muscular, and purpose-built. Every curve serves a function. The double bubble roof, the integrated ducktail spoiler, the aggressive nose, and the prominent side vents, all engineered to improve aerodynamics while paying homage to the legendary MK4 Supra of the 90s. It's a car that looks fast standing still. With LED lighting front and rear, wide fender flares, and available 19-inch forged aluminum wheels, the Supra exudes track-ready aggression while staying street-legal and visually distinct. Available in standout colors like Renaissance Red 2.0, Nitro Yellow, Phantom Matte Gray, and Stratosphere Blue, the Supra makes a visual impact. But what's beneath the skin is even more impressive. Under the hood, US buyers can choose between two powertrains. The base model Supra 2.0 comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. It's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission and reaches 60 miles per hour in about 5.0 seconds, respectable for a light sports car. But the real legend lies in the Supra 3.0, featuring a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine producing 382 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque. This engine, co-developed with BMW, rockets the Supra from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. The 3.0 model can now be auctioned with either an 8-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission, a move that delighted purists and enthusiasts. The manual gearbox, introduced after vocal demand from fans, transformed the Supra's engagement and made it a driver's car in every sense. On winding canyon roads, it becomes clear, this is a car built to thrill. Handling and chassis balance are where the Supra surprises even seasoned drivers. Its 50/50 weight distribution, low center of gravity, electronically controlled rear differential, and adaptive variable suspension make it a genuine corner carver. The steering is quick and precise. In sport mode, the car tightens up significantly, offering sharper throttle response, tighter steering, and louder exhaust notes. Michelin Pilot Super Sport or Pilot Sport 4S tires, depending on the trim, ensure high grip levels, while Brembo brakes bring strong, fade-resistant stopping power. But the Supra is not just about numbers, it's about feel. There's an immediacy in the way it responds to inputs. It's the kind of car that makes you want to drive every day, whether it's a spirited backroad blast or a track day at Willow Springs. Inside, the Supra merges Japanese minimalism with European sophistication, borrowing much of its architecture from BMW's Z4, but modifying the layout for Toyota's performance vision. The seats are heavily bolstered, yet comfortable enough for daily use. Alcantara and leather upholstery with contrast stitching give the cabin a sporty but premium feel. The digital gauge cluster is customizable, while the infotainment system, a modified version of BMW's iDrive, is responsive, with standard Apple CarPlay and an available JBL premium sound system. The cockpit is tight, emphasizing driver focus. There's no rear seat. The Supra is a true two-seater, but trunk space is usable for weekend bags or grocery runs. Practicality isn't its strength, but it's far more livable than you'd expect from a high-performance coupe. Now, let's talk ownership in the United States, beginning with pricing and financing. As of 2025, the Supra 2.0 starts around $47,000 MSRP, while the Supra 3.0 starts near $56,000, with the 3.0 Premium and A91 editions pushing prices into the low to mid $60,000s. Special editions like the A91 Mount Edition and Horizon Blue Edition can fetch higher prices, especially in limited numbers. For US buyers, financing a Supra with strong credit above 720 will likely yield rates between 3.5% and 5.0% APR. A 60-month loan with 10% down for a Supra 3.0 Premium might cost roughly $900 minus $1,100 per month, depending on taxes and fees. Leasing is also popular, particularly for the 2.0 model. National lease offers often hover around $599 per month with $3,500 down, based on 10,000 minus 12,000 miles per year. Lease buyouts are commonly pursued by enthusiasts once the term ends, especially if residuals are favorable. Insurance, as expected, reflects the Supra's performance nature. Annual premiums range between $2,000 and $3,800 depending on driver profile, location, credit score, and history. Younger drivers or those in urban areas like Los Angeles or Miami may pay more, especially for the 3.0 models. Bundling policies and maintaining a clean driving record are key to lowering rates. Providers like Progressive, Hagerty, and State Farm offer specialized packages for performance vehicles with agreed value policies, a smart move for collectors. Maintenance and reliability are areas where the modern Supra shines. Toyota's build quality, combined with BMW's proven V58 inline-six platform, has delivered strong reliability across multiple years. Routine maintenance, including synthetic oil changes, tire rotations, brake pad replacements, and cabin filters, costs an average of $750 minus $1,200 annually. Toyota offers a 2-year 25,000-mile complimentary maintenance plan, with extended warranties and service contracts available through dealerships. For drivers planning modifications, and many do, be aware that aftermarket tuning can void warranties. However, thanks to the Supra's robust enthusiast community, performance parts, AQ tuning, and visual upgrades are widely available. Many US owners invest in intake systems, catback exhausts, COI lovers, and cosmetic kits from brands like AH, HKS, and KW. With proper tuning, it's not uncommon to push the Supra's B58 engine well over 500 horsepower with bolt-ons. Now let's explore depreciation and resale value. The Supra has held value well, particularly due to limited production numbers and strong demand. First-year models and limited editions, especially manual variants and launch editions, retain their value exceptionally well. Expect 3-year depreciation of just 20–25%, far lower than the segment average. This makes the Supra not only a performance gem but also a solid investment if maintained well. US resale values are higher in states with stronger tuner cultures. California, Texas, Florida, and the Northeast all command stronger resale pricing. Clean Carfax history, low mileage, and tasteful mods actually add value in many cases, as long as factory parts are retained. Let's touch on daily usability and practicality. The Supra is compact, which makes it easy to park and maneuver in urban settings. Visibility is decent, though rearward vision is compromised by the sloped roofline. Fuel economy is another win. The Supra 2.0 averages 25 mpg city, 32 mpg highway, while the 3.0 nets 22 city, 30 highway, impressive for the performance on offer. On longer trips, the adaptive cruise control, lane departure assist, and blind spot monitoring add an extra layer of safety and comfort. The trunk space is modest at 10.2 cubic feet, but fold-down access and a wide opening allow for daily use. You won't fit golf clubs unless they're in a carry bag, but for 2 people, the Supra is a fine road tripper. On the track, the Supra proves it's more than just a pretty face. It's quick, agile, and forgiving. The electronic aids can be dialed back or turned off entirely for skilled drivers.